In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change a logo color in Adobe Illustrator. Whether your logo is a PNG, JPEG, or already a vector file, I'll walk you step by step through the entire process so you can quickly recolor your design the right way. This is perfect if you're updating branding, creating variations for clients, or just experimenting with new color ideas. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, if your logo is a PNG or JPEG file, that means it's a raster image. Raster images can't be recolored properly until we convert them into vector format. So the very first step is to convert your image into a vector. Go ahead and open Adobe Illustrator and place your logo onto the artboard. You can do that by going to File, then Place, and selecting your PNG or JPEG logo. Once it's on your artboard, click on the image to make sure it's selected. Now look at the top control bar. You'll see a button called Image Trace. Click on Image Trace. Illustrator will automatically apply a default trace preset, but we want to refine this depending on the type of logo you're working with. If your logo has multiple colors, choose the High Color preset from the drop-down menu. This works best for detailed or colorful logos. If your logo is just one color, like black, then choose Black and White logo instead. This gives you a cleaner and more accurate result for simple designs. After choosing your preset, you can fine-tune the settings if needed. Open the Image Trace panel for more control. Here you can adjust things like the number of colors, paths, corners, and noise. Increasing paths can give you more detail, while reducing noise can help clean up small imperfections. Take a moment to tweak these settings until your preview looks clean and sharp. Once you're happy with how the trace looks, go back to the top bar and click Expand. This is very important. Clicking Expand converts the traced image into fully editable vector shapes. Now your logo is officially a vector. Next, select the full logo. If everything is grouped together, you can simply click once to select it. If needed, you can right-click and choose Ungroup to separate individual elements, especially if you want to recolor specific parts of the logo instead of the entire design. To change the color, make sure the object or shape you want to modify is selected. Then look over at the Toolbar or Properties panel for the fill and stroke options. Double-click on the Fill color box. This will open the color picker window. From here, you can choose any color you want. You can manually pick a color, enter specific hex codes for brand accuracy, or switch to RGB or CMYK depending on whether you're designing for screen or print. Once you select your new color, click OK, and you'll instantly see the logo update. If your logo has an outline and you also want to change that, double-click the stroke color box and choose a new color the same way. If you want to recolor the entire logo at once, make sure all elements are selected before adjusting the fill. If some parts don't change, they may be grouped separately, so just ungroup and select them individually. And that's it. That's how you change a logo color in Illustrator, even if you're starting with a PNG or JPEG file. Convert it using Image Trace, expand it into vector shapes, select your logo, and adjust the fill or stroke to any color you like. This method gives you full flexibility to create multiple brand variations, social media variations, or client revisions in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.